Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today's tutorial is how to recover Facebook password on your mobile. We all have been there. Sometimes we forget our password, and in order to recover, we have to follow certain process. It's really easy. First of all, go to Facebook app, log into your account and click Forgotten Password. Search your account using your phone number or email ID. Press the Find Your Account button and right down below you'll get code. Click that and continue. A code will be sent to your mobile number and you'll have to enter it to reset or recover your password. Write down the code and just continue. Yes, you can keep yourself logged in as well. Continue. And now you'll have to enter a new password. Type your password and continue again. Now you've successfully changed your password. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you.